How to join Nick 30 customs tutorial. So the first thing is that we have to join the Discord server. So just go to Google, search for Nick 30 Discord, and just go and click on team here, right? And you will be redirected to Discord. Now click on accept the invite. Now you will be redirected to continue to Discord. So let me just cancel this, click on continue to Discord, and the Discord will open up. Right, now this is where most communication and updates happen regarding custom, games here. Within the Discord server, locate the channel that instruct you to link your Epic Games account to the bot. This is crucial for receiving game invites. So to join it, you must complete a few more steps before you can talk. So let's just go and click on continue. You have to verify your mobile number and click on I have read the agreements, and then just go and click on submit. Right now, as you can see here, it's important. Now here, then only you will able to type here, although you can go and access here the everything, but regarding you need to join or verify your mobile number to get the complete access of it. Right now, here, keep an eye on the announcement in the Discord bar. So here, this is announcement section, right? Make sure you will able to see it, and then the regular update happens here, right? When a custom game is about to start, a thumbs up icon will appear in the relevant channel. Click it to get the code for joining the game, right? So generally, you can just go and click on updates or the links of the Fortnite, right? Depending upon here sections, and then only you will able to say this. If you want to go to this specific section, for example, right, this is a general, you can ask a question how you can join them, and they will help you with it, right? Once in the party, ensure your party leader status to the bot if required. So this happens once you joined, right? And you will get the access to it. So this is a way to the join the Nick 30 custom tutorials. And here you can see the communications happen regularly, and you can ask them once you complete this verification process. Thanks for watching.